Hello and welcome to my channel. I've just bought all these packs of Pokemon cards, Sun and Moon Ultra Prism, these sampling packs. Now, when I was growing up, I don't remember seeing these with only 3 cards inside, so I thought, right, I'll buy these, see what's inside, and hopefully add some nice ones to my collection. When I've been looking, some people said, you know, on these forums that you only get common cards in there, you don't really get anything rare, but I thought, hey, I'll find out for myself. So right, that's enough of me talking. Right, let's get this party started. Right, let's open up the first one. Now I've bought 50, so hopefully there's some goodies inside. Right, so, oh, there is a little information book. Oh, it's the card list. Oh, that'll come in handy actually with everything that you need to collect. Oh, very tasty. Right, I shall put this to one side. Right, so we have a Eevee, a Salandit, and a Turtwig. Now these look really nice actually. I love all the different artwork that these Pokemons have on them. Very nice. Right, let's put them to one side. Right, let's crack on with the second one. Right. 1, 2, and 3. Good, we've got no ones at the same so far. Very, oh, I like that one. That looks proper mean. Very nice. Right, put them to a side. Right, number 3. Comment down below as well if you've actually pulled anything really nice from these packs. I'll be quite curious to see what you guys have come across. Oh, and a Pinlap. Oh, I think these must all have the little booklets inside. Right, put that over there. Right, carry on. Next lot, let's go. Glameow. Oh, look at that. A Drifloon and ooh, an awesome looking Sandshrew. Right. So far, haven't pulled anything nice. Nothing shiny, no shiny goodness so far. But hey, we've got still loads to go. Let's open up the next one. Oh, I like the look of that, and a Magnemite. See, I've just started getting back into collecting these cards. I still have my what do I have? I have my original base set. I then have the base set 2, and I have my rocket set as well. I kept them all nice in their sleeves. Oh, put that over there. So I thought I'll buy these ones, sort of get me back in the game. So, right, next ones. And that, right, very nice. Oh, damn it, stuck. Oh, there we go. Cool, that was a mission. So we have a Yanma, Bronzor, and another Gible. God, I've had loads of those so far. Right, next one. We have a Bunnery. Cool. Very nice. And a, yep, there's no way I'm trying to even pronounce that, say that one. Right. Moving on. Oh, I think I've seen that one before. And that one. Oh, Magmar. Very nice. I'm so hoping to pull something shiny. I'm hoping to prove most of these people on these forums wrong. Very nice. As I can see, there's a 156 to the set. Right. And moving on. Right, oh, we've seen that one. Oh, a Pinlap, Piplup, rather. Sandalit. And another card. Right. God, I'm so slow at opening up these packs. I've opened up booster packs for years. Probably a good 12, 13, 14, probably a good 6, 7 years. Nice. Right, moving on. Come on. What, I see some shiny goodness in this bunch. Right, Bronzor, Gible, and oh man. Right, and again. Come on, we can do this. Yeah, Bronzor. Not again, Gible. And yep. Fairly I love the artwork on that one. Proper. I like the more cartoony looking ones. Very nice. We have Cherubi. And another one. Oh, that's a new one. Snover or Snover. Not sure how to say that one. Right, like many of these other cards. Right, God, how Pokemon has changed over the years. I'm used to seeing... Actually, there's quite a few. I don't think I actually recognise any of these so far, apart from that Magmar. This one, and another Gible. Oh, man. Right. As you can see, we've still got loads to go. Come on, shiny goodness. Come on. No! Right. Come on. We can do this. Magmar. Ah, that's a new one. Chimchar. Drifloon. That awesome looking Sandshrew. And Hippopotas. Yeah, not a clue. Right, chuck that over there. Bronzor. Oh, Gible. And, one of my favourite ones again we've pulled so far. Oh, a newer one. Ah, Eevee, I remember you. And, and Vulpix, I do remember that one as well. Very nice. We're getting some different ones now. Right, so hopefully that might turn our luck around on this shiny goodness. Right. Ooh. Oh, no. No shininess so far. And Drifloon. Right, moving on. Oh, Diglett! Oh, it used to make me laugh so much. Nice. And another Piplup. Right. So, Bannery. And nope, nothing so far. Magmar and Chimchar again. God, I think I'm going to have some serious doubles, triples, quadruples after this. Right. Oh, Gible. Oh, but he looks slightly different from the... Where's the other ones? I swear, unless that is just me. Oh, no. We have a different sort of Gible. Happy days. Oh, Electabuzz. Oh, I remember him from my original set. And Chimchar. Right, moving on. Yanma and Bronzor. See, I've never seen these. Again, as I said before, I've never seen these sampling packs. Now, I'm from the UK, United Kingdom, or Great Britain. Whatever floats your boat. Do you have any in your countries? Any sort of sampling packs or anything sort of similar with only three cards in? I'd like to know. Comment below. Oh, I'm definitely very curious. Right. This one, and Gible again. Right. Let's see what else is here. Come on, shiny goodness. Come on, shiny goodness. Chimchar. Ooh. Sneasel. Oh! Lickitung. Ah, awesome again. That's another one I recognise. I was a bit worried to begin with because most of those Pokemon that we first opened up, I did not have a clue. Right. Ooh. Very nice. Piplup. Ooh. Definitely one I haven't pulled yet. Very nice. Right. Oh, these Pokemon packs, I'm having too much fun here, guys. These are going far too quick for my liking. Right, this one. This one. Oh, and another Gible. Oh, right. Come on. I can do this. Right. Salandit, Yanmar, and Drifloon. I do apologise if I think most of these, what I am saying, the names are slightly wrong. But hey guys, we all learn somewhere. Right. We have a awesome looking Sandshrew. Vulpix and Bronzor. Come on, I'm waiting for this awesome bit of shiny goodness to make an appearance. Oh, Magnemite! Oh, that's a cool looking Magnemite. And Krogunk. Come on, come on, come on. Where are you, shiny goodness? Now that is funny. Stunky. Oh, Yungoos. And Rosalia. Oh, very nice. Right, moving on. I'm probably down to, looks roughly about 10 packs left. Gonna get this one out with a packet. Come on. Right. Oh, guess what? What a surprise. It's a Gible. Oh, Electabuzz and Chimchar. Right, how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 11 packs left. Right, guys. What we're going to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to give these 5 packs away to one of you lucky guys. So comment in the description. I want you to comment down below the best Pokemon card you have pulled from these sampling packs. Now, it doesn't have to be Ultra Prism. It can be anyone you like. But I don't know if they're called sampling packs where you come from. Or I've heard there's some sort of Dollar Tree packs. But yeah, packs containing 3. So these 5 will go to a lucky winner who tells me the best Pokemon they have pulled from these packs. So I'm going to leave these just to one side. Right, so we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs left. Right, come on. Fingers crossed. We can do this. Oh, right. Oh, man, can't even open the packet. Right. Oh, another card. So we have Stunky, Rippy, and a Piplup. Right. We have a Shinx. Oh, that's a new one. Carnivine. And, ooh, another new one, a Muckrow. Ooh, right, we are almost there, guys. Almost there. Diglett, Shinx, Yanmar. Right, 3 packs left. Right. There is Lickitung, Scroopy, whatever his name is, and a Gible. Right, 2 packs left, guys. 2 packs left. So, Shinx, Gible. Oh, and that one again, Scroopy. Okay, the last pack, guys. Can we pull a shiny? Let's see. Please, 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 please. Oh, it's a Gible. Scroopy and and a Lickitung. Wow, wow, wow. Right, so as you can see, we haven't pulled anything tasty, just all common cards. Look at all these common cards. Right, so please subscribe to the channel. Now tomorrow I will be opening up some more sample packs, but they are from a different collection, so they're not from Ultra Prism. So I think I'll be uploading that probably around 3 o'clock sort of time. So subscribe, tune in, press that bell button, and hopefully see you guys tomorrow. Bye.